This illustration deals with barriers in accordance with NEC 230.62C as in car. Purpose of change, this is a new subsection that has been added and mainly added to require barriers to be placed over bus bars or service terminals or in panel boards, switch gears, and switchboards, etc. The same hazard that has initiated this change exists in all service equipment, including but not limited to enclosed circuit breakers, transfer switches marked suitable for use as service equipment, enclosed switches, motor control switches marked suitable for use as service equipment, industrial control panels installed in accordance with Article 409, marked with suitable for use as service equipment, and others that might be available to us. Now, first, I'd like to what is this? Well, if you look at the arrow to the left of this panel board, it says service equipment 230.70. And then notice this enclosure could be switch gear, switchboards, or panel boards in accordance with 230.62C. Thirdly, standard motive case circuit breakers are not usually inside this other equipment, but we see a lot of it in dwelling units. We see these panel boards in commercial, even industrial. And what they're saying here, where these conductors come in and terminate, you can't have bare lugs there anymore. You have to have a barrier over those. So as you see here, fourthly here, a barrier over uninsulated, ungrounded service bus bars or service terminals that are exposed per 230.62C, and you see that's right underneath the barrier that is covering those lugs there where we would terminate those service conductors. So that is the impact of this change. They don't want this exposed because I can turn this off or de-energize this breaker, and then notice everything down here is de-energized. And I'm not going to expose a homeowner, a commercial facility manager, or a maintenance person to expose live energized conductors here per NFPA 70B and NFPA 70E. This is regulated by Chapter 17 and 70B when you perform maintenance. So this is just a safety procedure to keep someone from accidentally getting into energized conductors and components.